Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Ftx Wallet account right from your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete your Ftx account using a mobile device, the first thing to do is to tap open your Ftx Wallet application you'd like to delete and make sure that you are logged into it. Once you're logged in, from the main home page of your Ftx Wallet, tap on the settings button or the gear button at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap on support. Tap contact support and now pick other from the options displayed. You can send in a request to terminate your account for Ftx by entering the title in the first text box. You can type in account deletion in this tab. Now right where it says enter message, provide any information that you think is relevant. Once you're done typing in the message, tap on the next button. If you have any additional documents that can better help explain the situation, then upload it here by tapping on select documents and record a document and take a picture of the documents you'd want to upload. Finally, after selecting your documents, tap on the submit button. Now, once you do that, the Ftx customer support team will contact you to confirm that you've deleted the account. Remember that before deleting your account, make sure to withdraw if you have any funds left in your wallet, or you can also transfer them to an e-wallet or bank account. That way, you'll be able to make a request on deleting your Ftx account right from a mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.